Hey, what's going on everyone? Vega here for SerpentX Tech, and we have another unboxing video. This box is thanks to Crypto Miner Bros, who allowed us the opportunity to get one of the latest script miners out there. It is the Gold Shell Doge 2 miner. Obviously you get the little pamphlet that connects you with their website or contact via email, Discord, and their Twitter. And here is the actual box. Actually a neat little cartoon on the side here. Very interesting. Not sure the gold shell symbol right there, a little robot, or this machine that is right here, and then a little Doge in a robotic form. Let me go ahead and pull this out of the box and show you what it looks like. And here it is. So that cartoon that we saw on the side, same small design, actually smaller than the box that it comes in. No smaller than a, actually smaller than a regular Phillips head screwdriver. Very tiny package like most of these miners that we're familiar with. Nothing on the right side, and on the backhand side we obviously got our two, I believe these are 92. This is one of my first smaller ones. We got the Doge original one too, but I think these are 92mm fans. And then on the back side here we got dual 6-pin and an Ethernet. Now this is not Wi-Fi capable, unfortunately, but that's not a big deal because we're just going to put it next to the Apollo and probably on top of the NAS or behind the Apollo or somewhere over here. Just need to figure it out, right? Because we need dual 6-pin. I could probably shut down the NAS and Flux node and run some of the power, the extra 6-pin power from it to this miner, or I could put it in the GPU mining rig tent on the bottom there next to some intake. Now this particular miner is capable of hitting 420 mega hash at 400 watts or 335 at 260 watts. Nothing on the bottom here. It's actually got some weight to it. I want to weigh it for you real quick and test out or figure out what the size of these fans are. And I was wrong about the fan size. It's actually 74 millimeters instead of the 92. I don't know why I got 92. Usually these smaller fans are 92 millimeters. So we got an old weighing system here. I'm going to go ahead and put this on it and see what it comes out to. So 5 pounds, not too bad. It is a dense package in this tiny thing. And so what I'm going to do is obviously shut down. We'll figure out where I'm going to go. Either I'm going to have it here on the NAS, or it's going to be next to this 6 GPU rig because I get a 700 watt power supply. It does recommend having 500 watt power supply or a rated power supply to power this thing. And the NAS has a perfectly capable power supply as well from Corsair, the CX750F. That's also 700 watts, but that's not really an efficient power supply. It's white plus rated. Those suck, by the way, but it was good to get started. Or am I going to put it in the mining tent? So I need to figure out where I'm going to put this thing. Got quite a mess over here. Some Arizona teeth for some of my OGs that know about that. Some MacBooks that are broken. But I'm going to hook this up and start hashing away. It's very simple. Obviously, we got Ethernet, which I can run to my router and switch over there. And then 2 6-pins. You got to find the IP or locate it, which I manage all my stuff over the network. I can find the IP for it, connect to it, and then connect to it a pool, connect it to a pool and start hashing away. I'll do that in a separate video showing you the actual setup of the Doge 2, but for now, that's it. The Gold Shell Doge 2 miner, small, compact. How loud is it though? That's what we got to find out. So let me get it powered on and I'll leave you with that last little bit and we'll get out of here. So here it is, set up next to the NAS, which I just cleaned up a little bit, dusted off. Still got a bunch of old foam that I need to just take out and clean, but there's not much sound. You're hearing more. You're going to hear more of the tower than the actual miner. On initial boot, it does get pretty loud, but then it just quiets down. Let's see what happens on the load though. Here's idle ambient noise. sucks in air from the front and pushes it out the back. Let's get it under a load. So we are hashing. We're actually getting 432 mega hash at the max power draw. The hot air is coming out the front side here, and the fans in the back are pulling cool air in, which is good because we don't want the heat trapped underneath this table, obviously heating up the other components around it. But here is the sound of this miner at full tilt. Very quiet. I mean, I can honestly hear my NAS more than I can this gold shell miner. So thank you, Crypto Miner Bros, for well, I bought it, but working with me and getting it shipped out. This is already connected to F2 pool. In the next video, I will show you the dashboard and hash rate, and we'll talk about profitability. Make sure to hit the like button on the way out. Make sure to get subscribed and click any links in the description that might help support the channel, show Crypto Miner Bros some love. And if you are interested in this, there's a coupon code in the description to save some money on your purchase. I'll catch you guys in the next one.